Everyone, welcome to my week 3 updates for this project. I wanted to go a little bit over my pipeline that I've been working on. It does everything from RAG to the actual utilization of the Mistral 7b instruct llama file. So right off the bat, we start the script by connecting to the MongoDB database that I created last week. The MongoDB database contains all information related to JDoc in terms of its history, as well as the different specialty nights and other miscellaneous information. And then we use the gist embedding model to create our embeddings for the user's query. Then after that gist model does its embedding process, we then utilize Atlas search to pull all relevant chunks from the MongoDB database based on the user's query. And then we create a new prompt that uses all relevant chunks plus the user's query so that we give the model some context when generating the output. And then finally, I created a function that uses the Mistral 7b instruct llama file in order to take the prompt that we just created and generate an output. So it does a pretty end-to-end process, everything from actually connecting to the database to creating the final output using the llama file of Mistral 7b instruct. So there have been a couple of challenges that I've noticed. Number one, I think that the native Mistral 7b instruct model doesn't have a lot of information about JDoc, which ended up creating some pretty non-relevant outputs without using RAG. So when I did implement RAG, I noticed that there was a pretty significant improvement in the model's ability to generate a proper and relevant output, which is good. Number two, I also have been noticing that the model has generated the output pretty slowly. And I think there's a couple of reasons why. Everything from the size of the Mistral 7b instruct model the version I'm using is rather large. Plus, I think the fact that it has to connect to a database, get all relevant information is making the output a lot slower to generate. However, I think there are some solutions. Obviously, I can't really fix a lot about the RAG model itself, but potentially switching to a model with fewer parameters could make that process go faster. Maybe even switching it to a different language like Rust could also make a difference. I'm still learning the intricacies of Rust, so not entirely sure how that can make an impact, but I'm looking to try it out and see if that works. So that's all. Thank you.